Hi, everyone. Sharon Bruneau here. I just want to take a minute to talk about my favorite subject, stem cells. Yes, we've been joining you once a week, either on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, myself, along with my senior presidential directors, my partners, Dr. Stan and Jody Gravely. And I'm constantly asked the same questions. Even though we share as much information as we can, and we love doing that. So keep the questions coming. That's okay. But let me take a minute here and I'll answer a few. Constantly asked still, what are stem cells? What are their purpose? What's so important? What's with the product? What do you mean? Well, let's get into science. I love stem cells. We all should, because stem cells are our body's raw material. They're the master cell, of which other cells with specialized functions are produced, such as brain cells, eye cells, liver cells, heart cells, kidney cells, skin cells. We can go on and on. You get it. It's our body's makeup. The stem cell's job is to repair, replace, rejuvenate issues and problems, and to help keep us young as skin cells and hair cells. That's what keeps our skin supple and our hair thick and strong. And most that are using it aren't even having to dye their hair anymore. It's that powerful. Stem cells, it's our makeup. So that's why I fell in love with the stem cell activation X39 patch, because through this little device, this little patch you stick to your skin, and by emitting your own light, which we all have, there's nothing in that patch, not transdermal, utilizing crystals and proteins and peptides to reflect your own body's light, and you can activate your own stem cells. Then I'm asked, well, what about my case though? Will it help with, I've got bone on bone issues in my knees. I mean, my meniscus has been wearing away. I have degenerative disc issues. I have arthritis, bursitis. I have torn ligaments. I have this, I have that. The answer is yes, it will help. Yes, yes, and yes, because that's a stem cell's job, is to help repair, replace the old, get rid of the dying cells, rejuvenate, rebuild, and renew. That's their job. Problem is, as we age, it's harder and harder to reproduce new stem cells. That's the age in effect. We all face it. We're all going to go through it. That's why we get the aches and pains and wear and tear of joints and tissues and ligaments and so forth. And a lot of the aging affects heart issues, liver, kidney, fall into cancer, which are dying cells. The purpose of replacing the cells is to help repair, renew, rejuvenate, and keep us from aging. It's taking everything in reverse, the anti-aging effect. The X39 is a diamond in the rough, which is why I'm always here each week to share the information with you and give you as much insight as we can. So yes, stem cells are extremely important. It's harder and harder to recreate, reproduce as we age. And by replacing, rejuvenating, and renewing your stem cells, no matter what age you are, by using the X39 technology from LifeWave, it will help get you through whatever issue you're dealing with, whether it be aging issues and or wear and tear, aches and pains, concussions, migraines, sleepless nights, diabetes, and so forth and so on. Stem cells are our raw material, and that's why it's so important to keep replacing them and rejuvenating the old ones, the dying ones, with young and new ones, and let them do their job, and to keep you young, viral, and healthy. So reach out, Sharon Bruneau /LifeWave. You can reach me on Facebook, Instagram, Sharon Bruneau at Hotmail. I'm completely here for you and happy to answer any and all questions about the LifeWave patches and what they can do for you and what your issues are. And or my partners, my senior presidential directors, Dr. Stan and Jody Gravely, are always at your avail to answer your questions as well. But I'm here to tell you, this is a diamond in the rough. It's a game changer. I love it, and I'll keep coming back. So yes, no matter what you're dealing with, the X39 will help reverse whatever that is. And you may take a bit longer to notice the effects of the patch. It depends on how long you've had the issues. You may have more in-depth issues that you're not even aware of. Give it a chance, give it time, at least 3 months. Myself, I stay on it because once you get the body working and you're able to start reproducing new stem cells, and then you take it away after a few months of feeling good, then that reproduction will start to slow down again. Depending on your age, it doesn't pick up right away. Always best to help your body through nutrition and workouts. You can't get away from that either. Anyway, have a great day. And yeah, it's that simple. Take advantage of it. Who doesn't want new stem cells and to reverse the aging effect? Peace out. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you here again. Take care, everyone.